today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, there is actually something happening in the charts, and I was not planning to make a video. I made one yesterday night. I wanted to take a few hours off, but I found something here, being on tour actually in my YouTube studio, in the charts, a line, a support line, which is holding since December last year. Bitcoin is right now tipping on it, and I will be talking about whether we are going to break it towards the downside and go to significantly lower price targets, or whether we are going to have a bounce there and reach new all-time highs much sooner than may be expected. I will be talking about my previous trades on Bitcoin and on Ethereum, and more importantly, how to trade the happenings in the markets right now, how to profit from the upcoming volatility. And I can tell you something, guys, this video was not planned. Nevertheless, it is very important, so please watch it until the very end. Smash up the like button, just make noise for the algorithm. All our videos recently smashing the 10,000 likes, 15,000, one got even more than 20,000 likes. Thank you so much for your support, guys. It is not going unnoticed. I'm reading all of your many of your comments at least, and I truly appreciate it. Let's go here straight into the chart. As I already said, this is truly something important. And before I'm talking about this one specific line, I wanted to remind you on this M pattern I was talking about earlier, when Bitcoin was basically topping out here, and right now Bitcoin is going towards the downside. So if this rounding top here continues and we are going to reach the levels of 51,000, we need to hold it. This is not the line in the sand I'm talking about, but this is the next one we need to hold, because otherwise the price target of this pattern, and once again, guys, this is really like one of my worst case scenario I could ever pull here. And yeah, once again, I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but this would be a 41,000 price target, so my big trade would be liquidated here. But let's talk about that in another one here, because right now there are no signs for us actually to go down, since we are getting a strong bounce here. And why are we getting this bounce? Where is this bounce coming from? I will be talking about that. First of all, you can see here Bitcoin broke out of this falling wedge, and of course we broke down out of another trend here. So right now it is not looking perfectly fine for Bitcoin. I have to wait, let me quickly pull out this. It's not perfectly looking fine for Bitcoin, but in the end of the day, man, just don't forget we are like 6-7% below the all-time high, and everyone is screaming for a bearish scenario. So just I wanted to tell you guys, don't freak out here, don't freak out. The breakout out of this falling wedge is still valid, and the target of this falling wedge is still 62,000, right? And the target of the AB equals CD move is still all the way up at the Fibonacci golden ratio, all the way up here at the 68,000 US dollar levels. So all of this is not even invalidated yet. So let me quickly go over to the daily chart and show you an important support Bitcoin has to hold, definitely, before I'm going into this horror scenario. This one line Bitcoin has to hold. And here we are seeing very important confluence of the 50-day EMA with this support we are actually having here, which was support and resistance before, also at the $52,000 levels. So I think even though we might be getting more buying pressure, this might be the level we are actually holding here. However, what I actually wanted to talk about, and stick here with me, guys, I need to give you this very important update about my Bitcoin trades here, is this. And Bitcoin actually broke already one trend line here, and this is not the one I'm talking about. It broke here this trend line here. You can see it on the logarithmic chart. This is the logarithmic chart. It broke the trend line. It confirmed the break towards the downside. This is bearish, right? But let me show you something. Let me quickly go over to the weekly candles, and bear here with me until the very end, guys. What I wanted to show you, and please ignore these dots. The dots are from ages ago, but yeah, now TradingView had an update, so they are visible. If we are switching over, and I'm going here to this, from the logarithmic to the linear scale, then you can see that this trend line, which looks very bearish there because we broke it towards the downside, is not even broken yet. Here on the weekly candles, you can see, if I'm pulling that down, Bitcoin is still holding it. And this one we are forming, the last touch point was somewhere here on the 14th of December, like within December last year. This weekly trend was actually built, and Bitcoin was touching it multiple times on the weekly. Now we touched it again last week, and Bitcoin got a bounce there. So we didn't break it on the weekly. On the weekly, everything is fine. I mean, of course, we are here forming this ascending broadening wedge on the weekly. So, but we didn't break it yet. This is the point. This is the takeaway of that. On the linear, we didn't break it, and I personally think this is the line in the sand. The level of 52,000. If we are breaking lower from this, well, then the M pattern gets a realistic scenario for Bitcoin. But before that, I wouldn't freak out. I wouldn't ring all the alarm bells. This is for sure. And I wanted to talk about something else. Let me quickly go over into my trades, because I want to reveal to you not only my price targets, but also my game plan for Bitcoin and Ethereum here in the immediate short term. By the way, I truly appreciate everyone you watching until the very end. I'm looking at the retention rate, and always when I'm seeing that people watch until the end, it really cheers me up a lot, man. Like, every single metric is not going unnoticed here, guys, and I'm making sure that I'm appreciating it enough. I wanted to announce that I'm actually taking part here with you guys at the 7 days Bybit challenge, because we are the most profitable community in the world. So we might as well take part here. If you click the link down below, it is in the pinned comment, the very first link. You can register here. It is free. Just click our link to make sure that you are in our team, because the most profitable team will get the prizes, right? We have a prize pool of $200,000 and it can go up to $400,000. And by clicking our link in the comment section down below, in the pinned comment and the video description, you get the highest chance of actually winning here. And well, they have 200 people can win actually. It is a great thing. So just scroll down and take part here. The registration ends in 2 days, but sign up today, because the competition is already ongoing. As you can see, it starts on the 26th of March already, and it ends in 9 days. But, and this is the deal, this is the nice thing about it, it is not total profit. So you can even put in 0.01 Bitcoin or so. It is in percentage gains. So if our percentage gains are higher than other people's gains, then we are getting the prize here. Of course, you have to be an experienced trader. Of course, you have to trade at your own risk, but I think that could be a great thing. We have a very smart community, so it might be fun to participate there. It is a paid collaboration, but yeah, I love these trading competitions. So I thought, well, Bybit is my favorite exchange, so I might as well just take part. Take part if you want down below. Of course, with our link, you get a $700 bonus as well. So this is something I wanted to announce and I wanted to share with you, because I had a few people complaining that we didn't take part at the last one. So we might as well finally do that. You can see here, this is my Ethereum trade, Ethereum US dollars. 6.6 Ethereum in a profit, 110% still. Ethereum is still bullish, guys. Big disclaimer, Ethereum is way more bullish right now than Bitcoin. That's why I'm having my trade open. And of course, let me quickly go over to my Phemex trade. My Phemex trade is over here. Here's my Phemex trade, 40 Bitcoin in a profit, 2.3 million US dollars in a profit right now. And yeah, if you also want to be trading there on Bybit and Phemex, of course, big disclaimer, guys, I got very nice entry positions. By the way, guys, very important, I almost forgot to record that. I'm recording this section here after the actual recording. We have a charity live stream event today, and we have NFTs painted with us YouTubers, and there's only one each. We are giving it away, and 100% of the proceeds are going for charity. We are going to do TA and share our thoughts on the Bitcoin price and Ethereum and so on. We are going to talk about altcoins. We're having a lot of YouTubers there. Crypto Mo, Card from the Moon, Da Vinci J15. It is at 10 p.m. Dubai time, 7 p.m. London time, 2 p.m. New York time. Make sure you watch it. I am going to stream it on my channel as well. And we are building 2 schools in Mexico. We are having 8 other charity donations. You can even donate only $10 if you don't want to buy an NFT, even $1. We are going to share all of that, guys. Living is giving. Remember that. We made so many gains, so we might as well give a little bit back. I am donating 60,000 or 60,000, 1 Bitcoin from my own money at least to charity as well, live in the video. So make sure you take part there. Living is giving. Let's spread the word. And I truly appreciate every one of you taking part there. Even if you only want to watch, also fine. You support the algorithm and you increase the funds in the end as well, raised for these children as well all over the world. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let's build schools in Mexico, and we will see each other later. Let's get back into the video. Thanks. Make sure you go down and you click the link down in the pinned comment down below. After your initial deposit, you get $700 for free. But the main thing is today, of course, this trading competition. So make sure you click the very first link in the pinned comment, and let's see what happens there, if you even want to. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end, for smashing up the like button towards the new all-time high. And with that being said, we will see you very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys. As always. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.